Hello my Crochet family, how are you? I hope you are doing well. In this video I will show you how to make this beautiful flower. You can paste it on your bags, sweaters, granny scarves, or other accessories you want to paste or decorate your accessories with this beautiful flower. So let's start. First of all, we will make the centerpiece. Make three double crochet. Make three double crochet using the video tutorial like this. I make one chain 1, 2, and 3. This chain 3 will count as one double crochet, and now we will make 15 other double crochet to complete this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, including this chain of 3. Now we have 16 double crochet. Now we will close the pull up the loop first like this and close the circle in the third stitch of chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. This is the third stitch of chain 3. Make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now insert this loop under the body or under the circle you have made, and now we will tie the both loops together. And cut extra yarn. Make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now skip the next stitch and make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Again skip next stitch and make V stitch using 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Skip next stitch and make V stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, skip next stitch and make next your V stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Here we have 5 V stitch in total. Now turn your work and make 1 single crochet in the hole of V stitch and 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make 1 single crochet under this gap of chain 1, under the gap of next V stitch. Okay, again make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make 1 single crochet in upcoming gap and 5 double crochet into the V stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 slip stitch at the end and another slip stitch, another slip stitch here. Now cut your yarn and hide these extra loop into the pattern with the help of tapestry needle or with your crochet hook. You can make a knot of these 2 loops. Make knot tightly and cut the extra yarn. So now we will go to make these leaves. Now we will make leaf. Make chain 4, 1, 2 3 and 4. Now make one treble crochet or triple crochet, 1 2 and 3. No, we will make 1 2 3 triple crochet like this. 1 2 3 and 4. Again we will make treble crochet into the next gap. 1 1 2, and now we will make the last stitch of the leaf. This is half double crochet in the same stitch. Now make slip stitch into the next stitch and make chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now make slip stitch into the chain 10. We will start from the third chain from the hook and make our first slip stitch. Again 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Make another slip stitch in the same stitch. Okay, now make one half double crochet, one double crochet into the next stitch, one triple crochet, into the next stitch, and double triple crochet, two double triple crochet into the next stitch. 1 2 3 4. Now cut your yarn and again hide the extra yarn under the body or under the flower or under the leaf. Here I am using tapestry needle for hide the extra yarn under the leaf. Your beautiful flower for decoration of anything is ready here. Look.